Welcome to Gary's Hobby Studio, and this is an update on from the two videos that you hopefully have seen. Uh, Me upgrading the storage stands on my server rack. The issue was that for some reason, even though the cases said that it supports both SAS and SATA, the top one that I was having problems with, which is SAN 1, actually doesn't support SAS, which is totally strange to me. I was able to move the card to the second one, move the drives to the second one, saw them immediately, and I'm actually transferring data between the two. Um, so uh, I I really like the Norco cases. They were really cheap when I bought them. I think I picked them both up around a little over $300, something like that. Um, I don't recommend them just because of a couple of different things now, especially considering that they lied on the first one. The second one, they actually held true to that, so they kind of redeemed themselves on that. The other thing was that when I bought the second one, I bought rails. They totally changed the rails, and they are totally incompatible with the 24 bay cases. Um, I just couldn't get it to slide in. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of their rails. I like the older rails that they had for those cases. I mean, they were fantastic. If I can find another set, I'm definitely going to grab them. But just wanted to let you know that everything's working. I even got GPU pass through. I didn't do a video on it, but I will probably do a video on how you set it up in Proxmox on a Dell 420 with a NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. I just have to check on a few things because I'm going to be moving Plex and using Plex, Handbrake, and DaVinci Resolve all in the same VM, so that hopefully the videos that are on it will transcode and do direct play instead of it was just a nightmare. I had to switch back and forth between two things. But just wanted to give you an update and have a good day.